Okay, now going on further, students, we are going to discuss types of chemical reactions. See, there are many different types of reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and redox reaction. There are two different types of displacement reaction also, that is also we are going to discuss inside this video: single displacement and double displacement. Even the word redox means, red means reduction and ox means oxidation. So this all the types of chemical reactions we are going to understand inside this topic. What is combination reaction? What is decomposition reaction? What is displacement reaction? What is redox reaction? What are the different characteristics of this reaction? What are the different examples of these chemical reactions? That all things we are going to discuss inside this topic. Under the types of reaction, initially we are going to understand two types. One is combination reaction, another is decomposition reaction. What is combination reaction? Combination reaction means when two or more elements combine to give one single product. For example, here, when calcium reacts with oxygen, it forms calcium oxide. So if you see in simple terms, here calcium combines with oxygen to form calcium oxide. So this is a type of combination reaction. Then we'll go to the next type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Splitting of a compound into two or more products is known as your decomposition reaction. Example, if you know calcium carbonate when it is heated it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So here calcium carbonate is splitted into two simpler compounds, that is calcium oxide and CO2, that is carbon dioxide. So this type of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Students, decomposition reactions takes place only under certain conditions. For example, you need to give heat. So such a type of reaction in decomposition is known as thermal decomposition. Why thermal decomposition? Because heat is given. So thermal decomposition, in this decomposition reaction heat is involved. So if you give heat, the product will be splitted into simpler terms, that is CaO and CO2. So here calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. See students, always remember that whenever you give examples for any type of chemical reactions, the reactions should be balanced. So you need to see that the reactions are balanced in both these types of reactions. So if you see over here, here also the equations are balanced and here also the equations are balanced. So this was about your first two types of chemical reaction. One is combination reaction, another is decomposition reaction. Thank you.